Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So this video is very special. In this video, I will teach you how you can send automating emails to the lead list you have. So this video is very special. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. And if you are trying to learn more about automation, you should probably subscribe. And if you want to work with me, we should connect on LinkedIn. And let me just show you. Let's just start the video. Let me just show you the preview how this automation will look like. Let me execute. What will happen, it will go into a list. If it's true, it will start a loop, send two emails. I only set it up two emails, so I've only set two emails right now. Here you can see I have first name. It can be changed, of course. Here it says first name, and here's the another. Let me just reload it, and here you can see. So let's just start the video. Let's just not waste any time, and let's just start working on this, and let me show you how to make this. So let me make a new workflow, or let's just put any trigger. And next thing we have to set is a Google Sheets. Let me tell you what Google Sheets, what type of Google Sheet. So here you will set up your lead list. The lead list you have right now. So my lead list is this my and this sheet. All right. And here if we execute, you will see we got two items of what? We will see our emails. I set it up here. Let me show you. Here, mails, send status, and time. Okay, send status is empty. If I put anything here, it will not send the emails. So I put in empty here. And let's go here. Next thing we will do is we will set up a if statement. Send status is not equal to send. If it's equal to if it's not equal to send, execute the step. And if I said it's equal to send, then it will not, because it's obvious, because if send status is empty, then we should send the emails. If not, if it's already sent, you should not. So it's not equal to send. And when I execute the step, you will see we got two emails. After that, if it's true, we will set up over a loop. This is very simple. We set over loop, execute this step, we got it. And let's just delete this loop. Okay, then we will add another Google Sheet for you. Now you might say, Google Sheet for what? We will add a Google Sheet for the template, for what we have to write. Here I already set it up, the template for law firm. I guess this was it. Let me check. Yeah, here you can see it's a template. I already set it up here with the subject and body here, and it extracted the data here. And after that, we simply send a message. We'll just type here Gmail, send a message. You just have to connect your account here. You just create new credential and connect your account to. We will send who we want to send to. So if we go here, we have to select the mails, drag and drop, just drag and drop here. For the subject, here's the subject, and for the message, here's the body. All right, now what will happen is, if we run this, it will only send mail once. I guess this is the mail it will send to, most probably. Nah, maybe this. Here you can see it sent the mail 0 minutes ago. Now we want this loop to run. What we will do is, we'll just do this. Now what will happen is, it will go into loop, go into the Google Sheet, check the template, send the message, come back, go over the loop again, and do the check the template and send over the message again. This is it. Now let me just execute it and show you. Here, two item sends, and what we'll see is, here we will see one email here, and here is the another email we got. Now let me tell you here, the lead list you see, you can add how many leads you want. You can add the first name, last name. Here you can add the name, first name. And what will happen is, anything and when I save this, when I execute this, you will see I will get the first name as well. If I add anything, let's just say my name, Adarsh, it will add my name as well. And if we get, oh, I didn't save it. And if we see, we got other share. And if you want, if you want, you can send in the mail as well. If you want, you can send in the mail as well, saying that, here, let me just execute this step. And here will you get, here you can add the first name as well. Here, if you want, you can add the first name as well. And what will happen is, it will add the first name and all that. So this is it. You can change the template however you want. You can do how you can add anything you want. So this is it. This is a video. I hope you guys like it. And if you guys want to work with me, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. This is my profile. If you guys have any doubt, you can just message me on LinkedIn, or you can just comment on this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. See you in the next one.